I'm going to drama and I'm wearing a broken doll costume for Halloween, and it's like this, and it's so pink. Hello everybody, so today I went to drama and I done a Halloween catwalk because tomorrow is Halloween, and I dressed up as a broken doll costume, and it was so cool, and we played Halloween games as well, and it was really fun. Bye.
Toilet trouble.
Hubble bubble.
Toilet trouble. Hubble bubble. Toilet trouble.
Halloween, everybody! I hope that you have a great one, and if you are doing things for Halloween, I hope it's a blast. Now me, I absolutely love Halloween. I love getting dressed up and I love the decorations and everything, but unfortunately this year we're not going to be doing it because Dawn always has dance after school and there's just not enough time to do anything. We're both still kind of tired from the shows that we've seen in the last couple of weeks. But anyway, I'm here at my mum's whilst Dawn always is at school, and I am with the doggo. I do love to be with the doggo. But also, I've got into this new show on Netflix called Black. It is a either Chinese or Japanese show. I'm not sure. I think it's Japanese, but I'm really not sure. Anyway, it obviously you have to watch it with subtitles, and I'm normally really bad with watching subtitles. I get too bored or I get distracted because a lot of the shows that I watch, I tend to kind of be doing something else at the same time because I don't like being idle. I'm not very good at watching like normal TV. Like if I have to watch every second of it, I'm not normally very good at it. I have to multitask. It's the only way I can function. But I'm really, really loving this. I'm halfway through episode 2. I'm looking at it on the TV, so sorry if I keep looking over there. But I'm on episode 2. Just help me. I'm on episode 2 so far, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's such a good show. It's kind of horror, but like weak horror, more supernatural. Let's call it supernatural instead. It's not really scary, but I really, really like it, and I recommend if you're watching this to check it out because it is really good. But yeah, I'm gonna go watch that, have a cuppa, and chill for a bit. Yeah. I just looked up quick. The show is from South Korea. It is South Korean. Not Japanese, not Chinese. I'm sorry, okay? I'm just not too clued in on this sort of stuff. I'm not good at languages, okay? I know very, very little Spanish and English, and that is all.
Surprised me with a new t-shirt that comes with a cape, and it says super, like Supergirl, and trousers, and I got shoes that went on Monday when I got her, and they go with this outfit. And she got glasses, and she's like me with glasses. Happy Thursday, everybody. So today I bought this bone from my nan's dog called Bunny, because next Wednesday it's her birthday and she's going to be 3 anyway, and I'm going to decorate it for Bunny's birthday. I'm writing Bunny's name on the bone and do love hearts with this icing. Always get an adult to help you.
Sadly, that's all we have for you this week, but do subscribe and stay tuned for next week's vlog, where I'll be celebrating the doggie's birthday and Dawn Louise's first public performance.